Good morning, great friends. We will focus today for the career tips for beginners in cybersecurity career. Next week, we will cover for the tips for intermediate experienced people in the cybersecurity field. Here are some career tips for beginners in cybersecurity. 1. Gain foundational knowledge. Start by learning the basics of cybersecurity, including concepts such as networking, cryptography, operating systems, and security principles. There are many online courses, tutorials, and resources available for free or at a low cost at multiple platforms. 2. Choose a specialization. Cybersecurity is a broad field with various specializations such as GRC, penetration testing, incident response, security analysis, risk management, and more. Explore different areas to find what interests you the most and aligns with your skills. 3. Get certified. Consider pursuing industry standard certifications such as ISO 27001, PCI DSS implementation, CISO, CompTIA Security Plus, Certified Ethical Hacker, CH, Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP, or Certified Information Security Manager, CISM. These certifications can enhance your credibility and demonstrate your expertise to potential employers. 4. Build practical skills. Hands-on experience is crucial in cybersecurity. Practice your skills by participating in Capture the Flag (CTF) competitions, building your own home lab, contributing to open-source projects, or volunteering for cybersecurity-related tasks. 5. Stay updated. Cybersecurity is a constantly evolving field, with new threats and technologies emerging regularly. Stay updated with the latest trends, vulnerabilities, and tools by following industry blogs, attending conferences, joining online communities, and networking with professionals in the field. 6. Develop soft skills. In addition to technical skills, develop soft skills such as communication, problem solving, teamwork, and attention to detail. These skills are essential for effectively collaborating with colleagues, understanding business needs, and conveying technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders. 7. Network. Networking is crucial for advancing your career in cybersecurity. Attend industry events, join professional organizations like ISC, Superscript 2 or ISACA, participate in online forums and social media groups, and connect with professionals in your field. Networking can help you learn about job opportunities, gain mentorship, and expand your knowledge. 8. Seek internships or entry-level positions. Look for internships, apprenticeships, or entry-level positions in cybersecurity to gain real-world experience and kickstart your career. Even if the role is not directly related to cybersecurity, any experience in IT or related fields can be valuable. 9. Create a strong resume and online presence. Craft a compelling resume that highlights your relevant skills, certifications, projects, and experience. Additionally, maintain a professional online presence on platforms like LinkedIn, GitHub, or personal blogs where you can showcase your expertise and connect with potential employers. 10. Stay ethical and maintain integrity. Ethical conduct is fundamental in cybersecurity. Always adhere to ethical guidelines, respect privacy and confidentiality, and prioritize the protection of systems and data. Building a reputation for integrity and trustworthiness is essential for long-term success in the field. Once you have done above and created your CV or resume, write in comment that you have completed and wants your CV to get reviewed by RateCISO experts. We will help you to improvise the same. Hit like and share.